Welcome to Mac's Garage. I'm Mac and this is my 2000 Jeep Cherokee. So we've been doing a lot of work under the hood and we're just trying to get it ready for the trails, right? Well, there's no air and the heater core is leaking under the carpet, so we're gonna end up doing both of those. For today though, we're just gonna disassemble the dash because knowing me, it's gonna take me like 3 hours. All right, so we took the seats out first to make more room because the whole dash is gonna have to come out. The next thing that has to happen is we have to take the center console out. So there's one screw for the four-wheel drive, and we had to put the gear shift and the four-wheel drive in farther back position to be able to get this off. All right, so you gotta undo this, gotta move this up, and I gotta undo the control light switch that we put in. All right, so the center console, because of the emergency brake, does not seem to be coming out. So we're just gonna start taking off all the panel parts so that we can see what all needs to be undone to get the rest of the dash out. All right, we're gonna switch sides just to make sure we know everything that needs to come out. This only has 2 screws underneath. And then we'll take out the radio. So we're gonna have to drop the steering column down in order to get this piece off. There's at least 2 bolts that will let it drop, and maybe 4. I can't exactly see. So, trial and error, here we come. When you're working with the airbag, make sure you unplug it. I knew that and then didn't do it. Under here, there's another bolt that I didn't see before. There we go. Let's take this out. All that hoopla just to get the dash off. So this box right here is what we have to take out to be able to get to the heater core and the evaporator core. That will be what we do to start the next video because that is also going to take me like 3 hours. So I hope you guys enjoyed taking off the dash. I'm sure that was fun watching me contort myself because I had no idea what I was doing. But I hope you subscribe below and make sure to tune in next week for the heater core and the evaporator core.